Hello students, Namaste. Today I am going to teach you remaining portion of lesson the canary. In previous video, I taught you paragraphs given on page number 13. In this video, I will teach you remaining paragraphs of the lesson the canary. So let us start. Tweet tweet called Molly loudly, but Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun and took no notice of the little bird. Molly said tweet tweet. Why did he say tweet tweet? He said tweet tweet to draw attention of Somu. She was hungry, she was thirsty, so she said tweet tweet to draw attention. But Somu was playing with his new toy gun. She cried and her friends felt sorry for her. She cried because she was hungry and her friends were other birds were they were sorry for her condition. Oh, I am in this cage. I can't get out to find food and water for myself, she said. She said, how can I help myself? I am in this cage and I am thirsty. I am hungry, but I can't go out. Chirpy, the sparrow, was sad too and said, we wish we could help you. Who was Chirpy? Chirpy was the name of a sparrow. And Chirpy was friend of Molly. And she said, we wish to help you. I want to help you, but I can't help you because you are in cage. The little canary dropped her little yellow head and prayed to God. When we are in problem, we call to God. In the same way, little canary lost hope and prayed to God to protect. Early next morning, Somu's mother came to wake up. Somu was sleeping and it was morning time, so mother came to wake him up. She was surprised when she did not hear the sweet voice of the canary. She used to listen sweet voice of canary, but that day she did not listen the sweet voice of canary, so she was surprised. She peeped into the cage. She looked into the cage. उसने झांकी, केज की तरफ झांकी, पिंजरा की तरफ झांकी. Molly was lying half dead. Molly was resting half dead because Molly was hungry, Molly was thirsty. Somu's mother took her out of the cage carefully and stroked her yellow feathers. Somu's mother, when she saw her critical condition, she took the canary out of the cage carefully and stroked her yellow and touched with her finger and hand and patted very nicely to her feathers. She fed the little she fed the little bird with fresh seeds and water. She served the little canary with fresh seed and water. She was very angry with her son. Although Somu was her son, but she was very angry with him because he did not look after the canary and the condition was due to him. Somu, what a dreadful thing, what a awful thing, what a dangerous thing. If you cannot look after this poor creature, poor bird, you have no right to keep it. You have no right to keep it if you cannot look after. So, I am ashamed of you. I am so ashamed of you because this is critical. Now the little canary has reached in critical condition and its reason is you, said the mother. Somu burst into tears. Children are very emotional. So when he realized his mistake, he burst into tears. Tears dropped from his eyes and felt sorry, and he said to his mother, I am sorry. Thereafter, he looked after Molly and the little canary very well. And from that day, he looked after, he cared Molly as good as he was doing previously. Who was Molly? Molly was little canary. And I think you have understood. You will find 10 difficult words from the lesson and you will find the meaning from dictionary and memorize it. Thank you for listening.